Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra headlight. This process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to detail. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is turned off and has cooled down. You will need a few basic tools, such as a ratchet with 10mm and 7mm sockets, and possibly a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so take your time and follow each step. First, open your truck's hood to expose the headlight assembly. You will typically find two steel retaining rods securing each headlight in place. These rods usually fit into plastic clips. Carefully rotate each rod outwards, towards the front of the vehicle, then lift them straight out. This action releases the primary fasteners holding the headlight assembly. With the retaining rods removed, you can now gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out. It might require a slight wiggle to free it from any remaining clips or alignment pins. Once the assembly is loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors from the bulbs. Most connectors have a small locking tab that you press to release them, ensuring no wires are damaged. To access individual bulbs, twist them counterclockwise and pull them straight out. If replacing halogen bulbs, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten their lifespan. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of removal. Ensure all electrical connectors are securely attached, the assembly is properly seated, and the two retaining rods are fully reinserted and locked into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.